Good morning, Lily.
Good morning, Max.
Good morning, Mom. I like milk. I like apples. Apples are red.
Lily, Max. We are going now.
Stay at home. Be good children.
Max, look. Lock the door, please.
Yes, Dad. I am a big boy.
Goodbye, Lily. See you tomorrow.
Goodbye, Mom. Have a nice trip. I closed the door. It is heavy. I locked the door. 1, 2, 3. Bye-bye, Mom. Bye-bye, Dad. Let's go to the living room. The sofa is soft. I like it. I read a book. The book is blue. I play with toys. They are yellow. Look, Lily, a small house. Red and blue. Good job, Max. It is very nice. Lily, I am hungry. I want to eat. Let's go get something. Let's find some food in the kitchen. We have eggs. We have some bread. An orange. Oranges are sweet. Drink some juice, Max. It is healthy. Thank you, Lily. I am not thirsty now. Clean the floor, Max. Put toys away. Yes, Lily. 1 toy, 2 toys, 3 toys. The table is clean. I am tired now. I want to sleep. The carpet is warm. Sleep, Max. I am here with you. Lily? Is it night now? It is 6 o'clock. We need dinner. I want pizza! Please, Lily! Pizza! Okay, Max. We order a big pizza. Hello. I want 1 cheese pizza, please.
Okay. Blue Street, number 42. Wait 20 minutes.
Wait, Max. The pizza is coming. Pizza! Pizza is here! Ah! Stop, Max, stop! Ask first! Ask first! Why? We have to ask. Uh-huh. Who is it? Who is it? Who are you?
It's the pizza, man. Hot pizza here.
Hello. This pizza is for you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Here is the money.
Enjoy your food. Goodbye.
Let's eat! I am very hungry. The cheese is yellow. The pizza is hot.
Two kids. No parents. This is good.
Be quiet. Don't make a noise.
A bag. Is there money in the bag? Yes. Money. I am a rich man now. A tablet. This is very expensive.
Where is the gold? I want gold.
Max? Are you walking? No, Lily. I am here. I am not walking. Max! A man! A bad man is here! A thief? Oh no! I am scared! Don't cry, Max! Follow me! Quick! Lock this door. Quick, Max. It is locked. We are safe here. I call 911. I call the police. Help! A thief is in my house. Number 42.
Don't worry. We are coming. Stay quiet.
Lily, look! Look! My Lego! My cars! Yes. Put the toys on the stairs.
I see you, kids. Open the door.
I want the money in your room. Ah! Ouch! My foot! What is this? Help! My back! Everything hurts!
Open the door! It's the police!
All right, he's down. Check on him.
I can't move. My foot hurts.
You are under arrest. Bad man.
Is he gone? Are we safe now?
Noen Krolitz on graden søvn.
Yes.
You are safe. You are very brave.
My Lego helped. The thief fell down.
Good job, Max. You are a small hero.
Drink some tea, please. Thank you for helping.
Hello? Your kids are safe. Please come home.
Huh.
Oh, my children. I am so sorry.
Are you okay? Did you okay? Did he hurt you?
I am okay, Dad. But I forgot to lock the door.
It's a lesson, Max. Always lock the door at home.
Here is your watch, Dad. Police Sam found it.
Uh-huh. Thank you, Lily, my brave girl.
Lego is for playing, not for thieves.
I am a big girl now, Mom. I can help. I wash my teeth. They are white.
This window is locked. That window is locked. Look, children. Turn the key. Now it's safe.